Is your Siemens EQ6 completely unresponsive? No lights, no display, and no signs of life? Don't panic. This is usually caused by a simple power issue, not a broken machine. Let's walk through a few quick checks and resets. By the end of this video, your machine should be powering up normally again. Step 1. Check the outlet. Start with the basics. Plug something else into the same outlet like a phone charger or lamp. If it doesn't work either, the issue is with your wall socket or breaker. Step 2. Confirm the power switch is on. Flip the rear switch on the back or underside of the machine. Even if it looks on, toggle it off and back on to confirm contact. Step 3. Try a different outlet. Unplug the EQ6 and try it in another known working outlet. Avoid extension cords or power strips. Go straight into the wall to rule out interference. Step 4. Let it reset internally. Unplug the machine completely. Wait at least 10 minutes. This lets any internal surge protection or thermal cutoffs reset. Then plug it back in and turn it on. Step 5. Inspect the power cord. Look for visible damage, bends, or loose connectors. If it feels wobbly or slides out easily, the plug may not be making contact. Wiggle gently while turning on, but don't force it. Still nothing? If you've tried all of these and there's no response at all, it could be a blown fuse inside. Time to contact Siemens support. We've included the link to their official service page in the description.